Maya had a dream. She wanted to be a reader. I want to read more, starting tonight. She wanted to finish every book on her shelf. On the first night, Maya read for 3 hours. On the second night, 2 hours. On the third night, her eyes felt tired. On the fourth night, she stopped. A few days later, Maya found a reading app. It said, 50 pages a day. She tried hard. But after 5 days, she felt tired again. She stopped.
Why can't I finish a single book? Why is this so hard?
Deep inside, Maya knew the truth. The goal was too big, again. One night, Maya read a short sentence online. One page. Just one page.
The next night, Maya read just one page. Only one page. It felt easy.
So she did it again the next night, and the next.
After 2 weeks, she did not stop. For the first time, Maya was consistent.
It's only one page.
One day, Maya was too busy. She almost stopped.
One page. That's all. I can still do this.
I love this book. Have you read it?
Not yet, but I will, one page at a time.
After 1 month, Maya finished her first book. She added one more small step, 2 pages a night, and she read instead of scrolling her phone before bed. 6 months later, Maya had read 12 books. Not because she was fast, but because she was consistent. Our book club meets Thursday. Do you want to come?
Okay, I'll try.
Maya felt nervous. But she did not turn around.
I think the ending surprised me, in a good way.
People listened. Maya felt proud. Maya felt proud, not because she read the fastest, but because she never stopped.
We did it, Sam.
Big goals can feel scary, but small steps are easy and possible. 1 page a day, repeated, becomes a library. If you want to change your life, do not wait for the perfect moment. Just read one small page today.